Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Kicking it off with Auton, all 6 bots are going to immediately head into motion with 4026 knocking out an algae and scoring a coral within their Auton, and they do manage to score another coral both on the top tier of their reef. Looking over to blue, they were not able to score quite as much on their coral, with leaving Auton with 23-13 in favor of Red Alliance. 4026 seems to attempt to score again on the exact same coral that they have already scored on. Can't double stack. Those PVC pipes will not stack on top of each other. Oscar does manage to score another coral on the top part of their reef, and they do look to remove an algae, which they are able to accomplish. And it looks like they're attempting to score it into their barge net, which they do. Their human player has already also scored 2 other algae into their barge net, leaving them with a total of 3 algae scored. 4026 continues to attempt to score another top tier coral. They do fail, but it does fall to the bottom tier, still getting them some points. Looking over to the Blue Alliance, it is a fairly tight game. They only have a deficit, it's dead tied, 42-42, with 119 left to go in the match. Blue Alliance seems to be prioritizing clearing algae, off of the reef more. They do have 1 less algae. Not anymore, never mind. Oscar just went ahead and cleared another algae off as they also attempt to score another coral on the top tier, and they do. 4026 again attempts, but it does fall a little bit short. Looking over at Blue Alliance, they do have more coral scored on the reef. It's reflecting in their score. They are up 68-53 with 45 seconds remaining in the match. Oscar goes to score again in the barge net, and they are successful. That is going to go in again. 95-22 moving to the other side of the field. It looks like to play defense to keep them from scoring. They go ahead and taking algae from the other side. Blue Alliance has also managed to score 2 algae in their barge net. As we head into endgame, it is very close, only a 9-point gap. It is now extended to 20. Oscar is attempting to do a deep cage climb. They do make it off the ground. Will they be able to stay there until the end of the match with still 5 seconds remaining? 4026 has already parked up. 95-22 is attempting to score 1 last algae into the processor. Nobody on Blue Alliance ends up getting parked. We'll see what the difference made when we see the final score. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the scores from last match. Let's see who takes it. It's going to be the Blue Alliance. They are going to take that win over the Red Alliance, 114-87, a very convincing win. Blue Alliance is going to get all 6 ranking points, bringing their 3 teams up in the rankings. Red Alliance was still able to get 2 ranking points from that, and 95-22 actually is still going to climb, unfortunately, for 832 and 4026. They are going to fall in the rankings after that match.